Gabi ng Misteryo.
Okay, mga kamisteryo, kumusta na kayo? This is a reminder to all of us that we are facing a spiritual warfare. Ba't ko nasabi yan? Kasi, ayaw nyo man maniwala sa hindi, biktima ako ng pangungontrol ng psychic attacks. Meron paniwalaan pero it is going on. Maaaring hindi lang sa akin and maybe sa iba ay nangyayari din. Anyway, in the first place, hindi naman ako galit. Alright. I understand people doing things maybe to fulfill their dreams or to forcibly manifest their ambitions. Wala akong pangalan ng tao or grupo or anyone regarding this issue. Kasi this is something different from our daily norms as a person, as a human being. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi naman talaga dapat na ako'y kontrolin. Di ba? Okay, gamitin ako ng hocus pocus just to tawag dito, to fulfill your dreams. O, di ba? To make dreams come true. O, di ba? Hindi naman kailangan yun eh. Sa totoo lang, madali naman akong kausapin, madali naman akong i-approach, ano ba? But of course, me as a person, I have to protect myself. I have to sabi nga nila, di ba, self-preservation. Not only me, and also my loved ones, mga friends, di ba? Pero ito binabanggit ko,